today I'm going to talk about the job seekers visa, and at the end of this video I'm sure you should be able to do it all by yourself. Why? Because I'm going to explain it in a layman's language. I'm going to explain it and show to you on how to go about it. But before I go into the video proper, you have been getting information from this channel. You have been getting informative values from my videos, and you have not given me a like. What are you waiting for? Or you have not even subscribed. Please kindly do that. All these things would encourage me to make more videos. Otherwise, I will just sit back and continue reading my book or continue my work. Okay, your like and your sharings make me want to do more. Okay, thank you so much. So what is this Portugal Job Seekers Visa? Yes, like I said, I want to explain it in such a way that you would understand. This type of visa allows you to come into Portugal for a period of 120 days. So the visa is for 120 days. Within this period, you must search for a job and get a job placement. Otherwise, if at the end of 120 days you've not gotten any job placement, you can still extend it for a period of 60 days. Okay, so at the end of this period, 120 days plus 60 days, you must have got a job placement. Okay, if at the end of this period, 120 days and 60 days, you have not gotten anything in Portugal, you are expected to leave Portugal. Okay, this type of visa, you can only come into Portugal. You cannot travel to any other country with this type of visa. For those who wants to apply for this type of visa, one good thing I like about it is there is nothing like eligibility. Anyone can apply for this type of visa as long as you are above 18 years. You don't need any skill. But as for me, if I would advise anyone to apply, I would advise that you go and learn a skill. Go and learn something that would distinguish you, something that will make you stand out, something that when you come, you'll find yourself doing. Okay, so go and learn something, and that would make you stand out. Okay, so we have to go and share my screen together, okay, so that we'll see how we can apply. You can do it. You don't need any assistant. You don't need any agent. Remember, you have to be focused. So let's go and fill it together. There are some documents that we need to have, or there are some forms that we need to fill at the point of applying for this job seekers application. So I'll be looking through my computer down here and also be displaying it on this plain space so that we can follow up as I'm doing that. The first one is there is a form that you are going to download, and it is the application form. It's on their official website. Okay, you need a valid passport not less than 3 months after the estimated date of return. You also need 2 recent photos. Okay, and also you need a proof of regular situation in case of residence in a country other than the country of current nationality. That is for those who are, for example, you're a Nigerian and you're living in Dubai. You need to present that you are in that country legally. Okay, and also request for criminal records inquiry by Immigration and Border Services. Here in Portugal, you have to request for it alongside when you are applying for this application. You also need a criminal record certificate issued by the country you have resided over the years. If you're a Nigerian, you need a police record. Okay, and if you're also a Nigerian living in another country, Those countries that you have lived, you need their police report also. That's their criminal record certificate. So the seventh one is a valid travel insurance. You also need your transport documents, which is the flight reservation, the departure and the returning. Okay, you need a proof of presentation of a declaration of express of interest for enrollment in the IEFP. I'm going to show you that form also. You also need a proof of payment of 90 euros, and you have to do that online. Okay. Lastly, you need a proof of financial resource equivalent to the sum of 3 months minimum wage in Portugal. Okay, like a proof of fund. Okay, that is if the minimum wage, of course, you know, like I've made a video that it's 765, at least minimum of 3 months. And also, if you have friends or families who are already residing in Portugal, they can also help you with that. Okay, all they need to do is to write a letter, and you need to upload it, because all these are done online. You're going to upload it also, and that can also be your own proof of fund. You know, they are going to have to sign, and that signature they need to put out should be the one that the body recognizes here in Portugal. Okay, so they are not going to give you a different signature that they have somewhere else other than the one they have in Portugal. So that is it for the proof of fund. Okay, so let's go to the sharing of screen so that you can know where to download it from, and also be able to do it all by yourself. You know, bayobi would always give you every detail that you need to know. Okay. So guys, here is my screen. You can see where you can get it. Okay, so here is my screen. You can see the job search. Okay, these are the documentation. These are what the general documents that you need. You need to click on this place. There's various clicks that you have to do. That's why I said it will be easier if you do it on your laptop, so that you can see a lot of things that you can see a lot of clicks that you can. So this, I'm just showing it to you so that you can know what is obtainable. I've already read it out for you. Okay, the declaration of interest for enrollment in IEFP, you have to download it. It's written in Portuguese, it's written in English, it's written in French, it's also written in Spanish. Okay, so you're an English speaker, click on English so you can get the form that you need. Okay, this is the application form. I've already downloaded it, and this is it. Your name, you can see it. Like I said, the job seekers visa up to 120 days. Okay, so go through it. Everything is being stated. It's something that it's easy that you can do. Okay, everything, it's what you, as long as you can read, it's something you can do all by yourself. Like I also said, the 90 euros is also important. You can do that and submit online. Just go through it. You can see I have read, put your signature, your agreement, put everything. And one thing I love about these people is they are straightforward. Okay, you don't need assistance from any agent. This is what you can do. Everything is written in English. If you're an English speaker, if you're a French speaker, go through the language you can study. And like this request for the criminal, I talked about it. Click on it and download it, and it's easy for you to do. The difficult part, I've explained it. Go through my videos, and I'm sure at the end of it all, you're going to give me a thumbs up. You're going to like everything because it is well explained. Okay, thank you so much. So guys, we have filled it together, and you can see, and I believe that you can do it now all by yourself. You don't need any agent to do it for you. Yes. So if you've gotten value from this video, why not click on the like button? Okay, just click on it. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed, click on the subscribe button. And if you have any friends or loved ones that you can share this video with, kindly do that. And see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.